Hello, and welcome to Black Rock Inspired. Today we're discussing purpose. From the eyes of Marcus Aurelius, a prominent Roman philosopher and emperor who lived during the 2nd century AD. Marcus is best known for his philosophical writings, particularly his meditations on Stoicism. Stoicism is a philosophy that emphasizes living a virtuous and reasoned life and accepting whatever happens as part of a larger predetermined plan. Marcus Aurelius also believed that everyone has a purpose, something we were created for. In his book, The Meditations, he wrote about the importance of cultivating virtues like wisdom, justice, courage, and self-control. Marcus believed these virtues were essential for living a good life, and that by developing them, one could find meaning and purpose. Here are 6 insights to lead a purposeful life by Marcus Aurelius. 1. Cultivate wisdom. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Therefore, guard accordingly and take care that you entertain no notions unsuitable to virtue and reasonable nature. According to Marcus Aurelius, wisdom is a critical virtue for living a good life and finding purpose. He believed that wisdom combines knowledge and understanding and is the foundation upon which all other virtues are built. By cultivating wisdom, it is said that one can find purpose in life, as wisdom helps us to understand ourselves and the world around us. To acquire wisdom, people should engage in activities that promote learning and self-improvement, such as reading, studying, and reflecting on their own experiences and values. 2. Define your values and purpose. What you do today is important because you exchange a day of your life for it. Defining your values and purpose is essential to living a purposeful life. Your values are the things that are most important to you and that guide your actions and decisions. On the other hand, your purpose is the reason you exist and do the things you do. The overarching goal or mission gives your life meaning and direction. Marcus Aurelius encouraged people to clarify their values and purpose to make more meaningful and fulfilling choices in life. By aligning your actions with what is most important to you. To define your values, ask yourself questions such as, what is important to me? What are my goals and aspirations? What do I want to contribute to the world? What brings me joy and fulfillment? Once you have a clear sense of your values and purpose, you can use them to guide your actions and make decisions that align with what is most important to you. 3. Take action. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. According to Marcus Aurelius, taking action toward your goals is essential to living a life's purpose. By setting clear and achievable goals and taking action towards them, we can find purpose and meaning in life and avoid the regret that can come from never truly living. However, it is essential to be mindful and reflective as you take action. It would be best if you thought about the motivations behind your actions and ensured they aligned with your values and purpose. 4. Practice gratitude. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Marcus Aurelius suggests that happiness depends not on external circumstances but on one's thoughts and mindset. He believes that by cultivating an optimistic outlook, we can find joy and contentment in life, regardless of the challenges we may face. By focusing on the things we are grateful for and practicing gratitude, we can cultivate a sense of happiness and contentment from within rather than seeking it from external sources. To practice gratitude, you should regularly reflect on what you are grateful for and express your appreciation of others. You can do this by writing down a list of things you are thankful for each day or expressing your appreciation to someone who has helped you. Regularly practicing gratitude can cultivate a positive mindset and help you live a more purposeful and fulfilling life. 5. Seek opportunity and learning. If someone is able to show me that what I think or do is not right, I will happily change, for I seek the truth, by which no one was ever truly harmed. It is the person who continues in his self-deception and ignorance who is harmed. According to Marcus Aurelius, seeking opportunities for growth and learning is vital to living a purposeful life. Ignoring opportunities for growth and learning can be foolish, as it can prevent us from expanding our knowledge and skills. Without a willingness to learn and grow, we may become stagnant and uninspired and struggle to progress toward our goals and purpose. By embracing continuous learning and a growth mindset, we can stay motivated and inspired as we work towards our purpose. As a result, we can make meaningful progress in our personal and professional lives. 6. Cultivating self-awareness. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. According to Marcus Aurelius, cultivating self-awareness is essential to living a purposeful life. He believed that by becoming more aware of our thoughts, feelings, and actions, we could stay grounded and focused on our purpose and make more meaningful and fulfilling choices in life. Self-awareness allows us to understand ourselves and our motivations and to see how our actions align with our values and goals. It helps us become more mindful and present in the moment. To cultivate self-awareness, it is a rule of thumb for people to engage in practices such as meditation, journaling, and self-reflection. These practices can help us to become more aware of our thoughts, feelings, and actions, and to gain insight into ourselves and our lives. By cultivating self-awareness, we can stay grounded and focused on our purpose. To live a purposeful life, Marcus Aurelius recommended cultivating wisdom, defining values and purpose, taking action, practicing gratitude, seeking opportunities for growth and learning, and developing self-awareness. Do you feel that you are living a purposeful life? What strategies do you use to stay focused and motivated as you work towards your goals? If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. We appreciate your support and would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.